Hello. In this video, I'm going to show you how to configure and use Recruitment Helper extension for Chrome. It has two main functions. The first one is to save a candidate. You can add their position and custom notes. When save it, by default, it is saved locally in browser. However, more useful is to save it in Notion. For this tutorial, I've created a page there called Work. Now I'll configure the extension to store profiles there. In the configuration, there's a list of required steps. Let's go through them one by one. First, we have to create an integration. I'll use the provided link to navigate there. Click New Integration, choose a name, and select your namespace. When the integration is created, we have to grant access to a specific page. As I said, I created a dedicated page called Work, so I'm going to use it. With that, we're done in Notion. Now let's copy the integration token and go back to set it in the extension configuration. Finally, click the Connect and Setup button. If you've done this integration before and already have profiles in Notion, they could be overwritten. But in my case, I created a fresh new page, so no worries. Let's wait for page and table to be created and for the data to be transferred. Okay, it's ready. Let's see what we have in the database. The profile we saved is there. Now let's add another candidate. We add a new position. Write a note. And when save it, it directly goes to Notion. The second functionality is to generate outreach messages. By default, the tool uses a template with two placeholders, the candidate name and your name. You can change the template by going to Message Configuration section. The tool will extract the candidate name from its profile page title, and you set yours. Let's do it and see the result. It is working, but it is more interesting to use the AI to generate a customized message for the candidate. To do that, we first have to set up the OpenAI integration. Let's go through the steps. You must have an OpenAI account. Go to API Keys and create a new API key. Let's copy it and set it in the configuration. Before I start using it, I'll check my OpenAI balance. You must have credits in it, otherwise you cannot use the API. You can also turn on auto recharge. With that, we completed the AI message setup. Let's go and create our first message. To do that, you must provide some information about the candidate. I'll use what he entered in the About section. Here we go. Finally, let's change the prompt. I'll make it more casual. And even joking. Let's see. Not bad. Thank you for watching.